Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For all those who are new here, I'm Aparna Jatin Shah, and for all those who've been connected with me, thank you so much for showering so much love and helping us stay motivated. Today I have created the halo look, which is really in right now. So it basically is both the sides of the eye is on the darker shade, and the middle one can be either lighter or more glittery. So I will show you the very basic one. You can play around with more colors and more shimmer. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and also follow us on our Instagram IDs. And without wasting any time, let's start the video.
To prep my skin, I'm using the Lakme Day Cream to keep it well hydrated. Next, I'm prepping my lips with Sugar Cosmetics Lip Balm, which comes with a tint of red shade which can be used very well for day wear without lipsticks too. Next step is to prime your face really well. This serves as a great canvas for all the makeup products that we will be applying. Next, I am applying the Sugar Cosmetic Foundation. Please note all the products that I am using will be linked in the description box with shade numbers. Now with the help of a wet sponge, I am mixing the foundation well. To conceal any dark spots and any fine lines, I am applying the Fit Me concealer on those specific spots. Please make sure you use the wet sponge only on those spots to conceal and not drag it across on the face. Next, I am applying concealer, which is one shade lighter than my skin tone, on all my high points. Now to set the base, I am applying the Maybelline Fit Me powder all across my face, especially a little more under my eyes. Now to define my face, I am applying the contour powder by Forever 52 with an angular brush. Now to define my brows, I am using the Miss Claire palette. I am first shaping my eyebrows with the help of a spoolie and then shaping them with the color and the brush. For eyes, I am using the Blend the Rule eyeshadow palette by Sugar. For corner of the eyes, I am using the milder brown on both sides of the eyes. Please note at the start I am just placing the color on both the sides and not mixing them well. Once I have placed the shades on both the end of the eyes, I am taking a fresh fluffy brush without any eyeshadow and mixing it well. Be careful not to drag the shade too much on the lids of the eye. Now I'm repeating the exact same steps with a little darker shades to give the defining line on both the sides of the eyes. Now for the lids, we will use any light shimmer and place it well on the lids with the help of a fingertip. Again with the clean brush, we will merge the sides of all the shades well. Please be careful not to smudge all the shades together. To add slight more shimmer, I am placing Bharat and Doris Diamond Cream on the lids of my eyes. Now lining my lower lash line with the darker shade which we used on the upper lids as well. Now I will do the other eye and see you in a moment. Now lining my lower waterline with kajal. To add volume to my lashes, I am using my favorite mascara. Now with Sugar Palette blush, I am adding color to my cheeks. Now using the highlighter on all the high points of my face. Now defining my lips with Color Bar lip liner. Please note all the products that I am using are listed in the description box with links.
Hope you enjoyed this video, and in case you try this makeup look, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram ID. And in case if you enjoy it and you think any of your friends and family will also enjoy this look, please consider sharing and subscribing to the channel. And until I see you guys again, keep shining.